Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to scan for viruses in your PC and also how to remove them. So I've already outlined whatever is needed here just for a quick, if you want to be quick with it. And so these are just the instructions. So what you do guys, you also don't know, you click on the Windows key and the R button at the same time on your PC, and then after that you want to type in MRT in that dialog box and then click OK. So we're waiting for my PC to load. It's gonna take some time, but it definitely asks you, do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, the Microsoft Windows remove malicious software removal tool, MRT. So yeah, you want to click on yes on that. So after clicking on yes, I already did my scan, but I'm gonna do it again for the purposes of this video. So you want to click on next, click next to scan for help. And then the scan type, just choose a quick scanner, click on quick scan, let your computer sit there and complete the scan. But after this, it's going to tell you if it is going to give you a report of if there was any malicious software that was found and it was removed. So generally this tool is scanning your computer for prevalent malicious software and removing any that is found. After this operation completes, the tool will provide you with a report of the malicious software that was detected and removed. So I think after that that's it guys. This is gonna load for me. So yeah, let's wait for it to finish. And no malicious software, luckily for me. So that is it guys. Click on finish and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.